In today's video, I will show you how to enable global location in Tinder on Android. Tinder originally launched global mode as a free feature to let users match with people all over the world without being restricted by physical borders or proximity. Activating this setting opens up your discovery card to international recommendations, which is perfect if you are planning a trip or just want to expand your dating pool beyond your hometown. To get started, first open your Tinder app on your device. Then, once you're on the home page, click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right to pull up your configuration menu. From here, scroll down through your preferences until you see the section labeled Global. This can be seen under the Discovery settings right underneath your location details. Simply toggle it on, and the app will instantly refresh your card stack to include profiles from around the globe. And that's it. That's how you enable global location in Tinder on Android.